Unboxing my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, but these are the transition ones. I actually have been wanting to get my hands on the transitional lenses. The transitional. I have me the regular clear lens, I have me the sun, but I have not gotten my hands on the transition lenses until now. So I'm about to unbox it for you guys. And we are going to be putting it to the test by testing it indoors and outdoors. So do not mind this oil stain. It has been sitting here on our kitchen counter for a few weeks now. I did get the matte black ones. So this is actually my 4th pair of Meta glasses. They come in a case like this. Let's open these babies up. How freaking cute. So I actually have the shiny black ones as my clear lens. So I have yet to get this style, like the matte black. And these are the wafer. Don't quote me, I know I'm saying that so wrong. This is a style and it is the smaller size. So I'm gonna pop these babies on real quick. So freaking cute. Let me hurry up and go outside. I'm really curious to see how long the transition takes. So we about to test this together. Hi, my love. Let's see. This is so weird. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. Wow, my love. This feels so weird. I have never experienced something like this in my life. I feel like I could still see my eyes, so they're not as dark as I would love them to be. I think it's still pretty cool that I'm able to have them go from dark to clear and clear to dark. So I'm guessing this is the darkest it's going to get. It didn't take long, but it's not as sunny either. I feel like the sun is kind of hiding like in the clouds. But let's go back inside and let's see how long it takes for it to go back to clear. Babe, does it look dark?
Yeah.
Oh, it does look dark. I feel like the camera's like bringing it in like a little different. Like you can see my eyes still. It is taking a little while though. It definitely takes like a good minute. It's still trying to transition to clear right now, but overall I think it's cute. It does take a little while for it to transition between both like sunnies and clear lens, but it's not bad. I think it's still cute. I love that I finally have a pair of Metas that I can wear indoor and outdoor. That was like my issue. I hated wearing like my sunnies indoor and I hated wearing my clear lenses outdoor, especially when I need sunnies, you know? So they finally turned completely clear. But I think they're so cute and I actually really love them.